Hello everyone, welcome to Inspire. Have you ever felt like life is running too slow, like your success is taking forever to arrive? We live in a world that celebrates speed, fast results, fast money, fast fame. And when we don't get what we want quickly, we feel broken, frustrated, or even unworthy. But what if I told you sometimes life delays things not to punish you, but to prepare you? Today's story, The Sparrow Who Taught the Eagle Patience, isn't just a cute animal tale. It's a reminder that even the strongest among us must learn to wait, and even the smallest can teach us how. So stay connected because this story might be the push your heart has been waiting for. Part 1. The Eagle's Pride. High in the mountains lived an eagle named Arion. He was powerful, fierce, and respected by every creature in the sky. With wings that cut through clouds and eyes sharper than any blade, he believed he was unstoppable. Arion loved winning. He loved being fast. He loved being first. But more than anything, he hated waiting. If the wind came slowly, he grumbled. If a hunt took longer than expected, he lost his temper. If life didn't move at his speed, he blamed the world. He thought speed was strength and patience was weakness. He had no idea how wrong was he. One warm morning, Arion landed near a quiet meadow to rest. As he folded his wings, he heard a tiny voice beside him. "Hello, great eagle." He looked down and saw a small sparrow named Lila. She was cheerful, innocent, and very, very tiny compared to him. Arion scoffed. "What do you want, little bird?" Lila smiled gently. "Nothing. I just wanted to say your feathers look tired." Arion frowned. "Tired? Impossible." But he did feel tired, exhausted, actually from always pushing himself. Before he could respond, Leela fluttered to a nearby branch and said, "Sometimes the strongest wings need the slowest winds." Arion didn't know it yet, but this tiny sparrow was about to change his whole life. Part 3. The Storm. Later that day, the sky darkened. Black clouds rolled in like angry waves. A storm was coming, powerful and dangerous. Most birds rushed home to hide. Arion, however, spread his wings proudly. "A storm? Huh? I will conquer it with speed." He soared into the sky, confident as ever. But as soon as he reached the clouds, powerful winds slammed into him. He pushed harder, he flopped faster, but the harder he tried, the more the storm punished him. Lightning flashed, rain stung his wings like needles. His strength began to fade, and for the first time in his life, Arion felt fear. Just when he thought he would fall, a tiny voice reached him through the wind. "Arion, over here." It was Leela, the little sparrow, hovering near a strong, steady tree that bent without breaking. "Come down," she shouted, "rest." Arion had no choice. His pride could wait, his life could not. He glided down and collapsed beside her, gasping for breath. Part 4. The lesson starts. Arion panted, shocked and defeated. How? How are you so calm? He asked. Leela shook the rain from her feathers. I'm not calm because I'm strong, she said. I'm calm because I know storms need time. Arion didn't understand. Time? I don't have time. I must fly, hunt, win. I can't wait. Leela smiled softly. That's your problem. Arion, you think patience lost you? But patience keep you alive. Storms didn't listen to strength. They listened to stillness. Arion sighed. I don't know how to wait. Leela replied. Then watch me. So the eagle and the sparrow sat together. Minutes passed. The storm roared, the trees swayed. Yet Leela stayed peaceful, breathing slowly, letting the storm be a storm. For the first time, Arion simply waited, no rushing, no pushing, just breathing. And he realized something waiting didn't weaken him, it healed him. When the sun finally rose, the storm clouds drifted away like tired jets. The world sparkled with fresh raindrops. Arion stretched his wings, they felt lighter, not stronger. How did you do it? He asked. How did waiting make me stronger? Leela hopped onto a branch because strength isn't just muscles or speed. Strength is knowing when to move and when not to. Arion stared at her with new respect. You taught me patience, he said quietly. You a tiny sparrow. Leela giggled. Even small wings can carry a big message. Part 6. A New Eagle. Arion took a deep breath. For the first time in his life, he didn't rush to fly away. He stood there, feeling the warmth of sun, feeling present. He understood something powerful. Patience wasn't about waiting, it was about trusting. Trusting the storm to pass, trusting the journey to unfold, trusting yourself to rise again. When he finally lifted off into the sky, he felt different, not just stronger but wiser. And from that day on, whenever the winds grew wild, Arion didn't fight. He glided, he breathed, he trusted. And the mountains whispered his new legend. The eagle who learned patience from the smallest bird. Motivation. Life will throw storms at you like delays, failures, confusions, disappointments, and your first instinct might be to push harder, run faster, force things to happen. But remember the eagle, remember the sparrow, and remember this: what comes fast doesn't always last. What grows slowly becomes unshakable. Your time is coming. Your moment is forming. Just because you don't see progress doesn't mean nothing is happening. Be patient. The sky opens for those who wait with courage.